Cardinal Okoji don't talk say the katakata yama where they shell it for this country. Now because of the bad leadership choice, where will they get? Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki on Tuesday received the Emeritus Archbishop of the Catholic Diocese of Lagos, Cardinal Olubunmi Okoji, where they beneath for the 90th birthday celebration of Archbishop Patrick Ekpu, the Emeritus Archbishop of Benin. As the governor received the clergy for Government House for Benin City, he celebrated Cardinal Okoji, described him as icon and father.
He just came to pay a courtesy visit to me. You know, he's our father in the state, who is 90 tomorrow. He's here. It's been 50 years of bishop. It's 90 years and 50 years of bishop tomorrow. And you know that Cardinal Olubunmi has also been a bishop for 50 years.
Okoji, for his part, blamed the numerous challenges where they face the country on top poor choices of leadership by the electorate where they influenced by money where they want gain.
Well, I would say that those in government is our fault. Let's face it. Because we will elect bad people. People are not trained. People are rough in character. People that you know they're bad, and then you vote for them. Because they take 3 pence, 4 pence. So that's it.
This na the Ogbonge informate where TMC News carry come give una. From Benin, Osatuame Ogbede.